Today I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look using Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions. Enjoy! Here I am, absolutely makeup free. I just filmed my skincare routine video, so my skin is glowing, and I just realized that the colors of my scarf perfectly match my favorite Russian porcelain cup. So I am going to have a lot of fun posing. Normally I start with my eyebrows, but this time I grabbed the eyeshadow base first. I don't know why. I will show you all the products I used and you will find them in the description box below, but you don't have to use the exact same products as me. Next, I fill in my overplucked eyebrows, which takes a lot of time, so I'm just going to speed it up. I have a separate eyebrow tutorial video, so you might wanna go check it out. The current video will be mostly focused on the eyeshadow application. With the eyebrows, I'm basically building up the color and blending it with the spoolie. I like to emphasize my upper lash line with a dark pencil, which creates the illusion of a more vibrant eye color. Which side of this cup you like better, the red one or the orange one? Let me know in the comments below. The star of the show, Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I will apply this shimmery green shade in the middle with my finger all over my eyelid. This tiny makeup brush will help me fill in any gaps. I find the tip of this brush perfect for working the crease. I take just a little of this light green color on the tip of the brush and I will use it to blend the dark color up. With a thinner brush, I take just a little of this dark electric green color, I tap off the excess and I apply it in the outer corner of my eyes to create the illusion of more depth. I like to elongate the corner of my eye. I currently have some lash growth boosting mascara left, so I like to apply it first and then I go over it with a second mascara. I mix these two foundations to get the perfect shade for my skin tone. The porcelain shade by AVON is light enough, however it's basically white, so I like to add a little bit of that rose vanilla shade because it has a pinkish undertone. I like to apply foundation with a flat brush and then blend it with a damp beauty blender. Painting. So cool. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. That really will help my channel grow. And if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye!